Your girl said yes. I am engaged. Your girl said yes. Okay, he popped the question and I said yes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith, and if it's your first time seeing this beautiful girl, this fine babe, you're very welcome. And to my returning subbies, thank you guys so very much for coming back. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so very much. Alright guys, so like you guys see from the title, today I am here with a review for you guys. I'm actually really excited about this video or this review, because if you know me, you know I love wearing rings. Like, rings are my thing, literally. I love wearing rings. I love to accessorize with a lot of rings. So this video, I was very happy when they reached out to me to collab with them, because I love rings. You guys see from the title, I have a review today from Joancee. They are a jewelry company, so they have like rings, bracelets, necklaces, and they have a lot of stuff on their website. So definitely check their website out. You guys already, the link will be on my description box down below. You already know. So yes, they sent me two beautiful rings to try out, and guys, I am in love. I was going to wait and do like a first review with you guys, but I just didn't have the patience. I just had to look. I literally had to look. So yes, really beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys. But before I show you guys this ring, guys, definitely check them out if you want a very pretty ring that you can wear. You don't have to be married to wear a ring, guys. And for my ladies, if you want some beautiful rings, you can wear some fashion rings, some engagement rings, some love rings, some promise rings. They have everything there. For my guys also, like if you want to engage your babe and you're looking for where to get a nice affordable ring, definitely check them out. They have a lot, very different designs, a lot of rings. They have a lot, guys. Quickly get into this video. Let me show you guys the beautiful rings that I picked out and that they sent to me. I actually picked out one and then they picked the other one for me. So yeah, and it comes in this box, and I really love this packaging, because you can actually use it to save your other jewelry in here. It has the first drawer just had their authentication card in there, and then the second one has the two rings in there, and you can use this box to actually save your like jewelry. So that's what I'm actually going to do with this box. I'm going to use them to save my jewelry. I really love the packaging. So let me quickly open the first one and see what it says. The rings are sterling silver, guys, just in case you didn't know that. And this is just telling you how to you know, take care of your rings. This card right here, guys, has the pink cloth you can use to clean your ring, and it also gives you a guide on how to, you know, take care of your rings and how to keep it well and safe. And like I said, guys, these are sterling silver. All right, let's open. Let me see. So the very first one, I will have to check on their website to know the names, or their names in here. No, I have to do. This is beautiful. This is the one I picked, guys. This is the very first one, and this is the one that I actually picked, guys. I absolutely love it, and this is their radiant cut white sapphire 925 sterling silver engagement ring, guys. I absolutely love. Oh. This ring is beautiful, guys. This ring is literally beautiful. It's like, yes, your girl said yes. I am engaged. Your girl said yes. Okay, he popped the question and I said yes. Okay. Guys, when I get engaged, I'm about to be asking when I get engaged, like, yes honey, yeah, yeah. I love this ring. Like, guys, I absolutely love this ring, it is so gorgeous. Like the stone, like this is beautiful. Like what are you saying? See, I can't wear this ring because if I wear it, people, I'll be chasing my suitors away. Okay, I can't wear it, but this ring is definitely beautiful, and this is for it's actually on sale right now for $187.95. It was originally sold for $300, so definitely check them out. I do have a coupon code, and that will also be on my description box down below. Guys, I love this ring. This is just so beautiful. Like this is giving rich babe, rich madam. Like talk to me nice, talk to me respectfully kind of ring. Like you can't tell me nothing. You see this ring? You can't tell me nothing. I love it. Honestly, guys, like this camera is not doing justice to how beautiful this ring is. Like this ring is so beautiful, like so beautiful. I love it. Like what? This is beautiful. This is the next one, and this is the one that they actually picked for me. I actually love this. Is more like me. I can see myself wearing this more. The other one is like something that I would wear if I was like engaged, maybe, or married, or yeah, but not that. Yeah, the other one is more for like if I was engaged, but this one is something that I see myself wearing more, and I love, and I would definitely be wearing it. And this one that is sent to me, which I really love, is their hard cut multicolor stone 925 sterling silver hello engagement ring. Absolutely love it. I love the way it looks. I love it. This is more like me. I would definitely wear this more. This is how it looks. So very pretty, very simple. This is for my like simple girls, simple ladies. I just want something very simple but so pretty. You can definitely get this. Definitely want to wear it so you guys can see how it looks. My fingers. I love the multicolor. Like honestly, guys, the camera is really not doing justice to this ring and how beautiful they are. Just to be honest, like they are really pretty and really beautiful. Really love this one. I love it. Like I love the multicolor stone in there, and it's a hard cut ring. Really love it. I can see myself wearing this more. Definitely, I can definitely see myself wearing this one way more than other ones. Yeah, this is pretty. This is cute. This is me, simple, very pretty. Yeah, love it. Okay, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really love these two rings. I'm so happy about them, and I'm gonna be wearing them. Okay, thank you. I really love them. I love the way they look. So definitely check them out. Get you some nice rings, guys. Get your ladies some nice ring. Okay, ladies, go get yourself some nice rings, jewelry. They have a lot of things there. Really love them. I really love this little one. You guys can see I'm still wearing it. I really love it. Like I'm gonna be rocking this one definitely. So yes, check them out. Get you some nice beautiful rings. Okay, yes, so you can be looking good and give your hands some hand candy. Okay, so yes, I really love this one. I keep saying it. So like links to these two rings will definitely be on my description box down below, and my coupon code will also be on my description box down below. So thank you very much to Joancee for sponsoring this video and sending me these beautiful rings. I really love it. Okay, thank you guys so very much. All right guys, like always, stay beautiful, stay safe, like, comment, share. Guys, literally I've been sick. You can hear my voice, like I'm really sick, but I just have to do this video so I can start wearing these beautiful rings because I love them. Okay. Yeah, so definitely guys, like, subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, stay beautiful and stay safe. Bye bye.